Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about importing journals into Xero. Alright, so this is for all the people that has lots of journals every month they have to import. So firstly, create a template. So I just created a quick template here for demonstration. I just use like sales for 4 weeks for March. Alright, so let's explain this journal quick. Alright, so firstly your journal has to has a description, your account code, your VAT, your debit and your credit, and your narration. Alright, so firstly you must use your account code you'll find on your accounting chart of accounts. Alright, so the sales code is 200 and the tax is tax on consulting. So you have to copy this tax code and paste it into your Excel. So it must be exactly the same. And you must build your template. So you maybe have 1,000 journals you have to post every month. And firstly, you do it on your Excel, or it takes a lot of time for you to manually post it into Xero. So this is going to save you time. So you're just going to design your template once, and then every month you can just come put in your new amounts here, and then you can just import it. All right. So firstly, you design your template, obviously, and you put a tab here that says import tab, go to accounting, say manual journals, and you say import, and you say download template. And you save it, you open it, you copy it, and you paste it into here. Now you start for narration equals your narration sales week 1, your date, press F4 to make it fixed, your description, your account code, your tax rate, and your amount. Because I have debits and credit, I'm going to say my debit minus my credit, so it goes into minus. You don't have to put anything here for the tracking name and option. I just always leave the heading there. Alright, so now you have to just delete all the stuff that has no values in. I hold in control and I just click and drag on everything I want to delete, and to delete it, delete sheet rows. Alright, so just to be safe, I don't know if Xero for all countries can pull in this this format of the cell, so I'm just gonna make it number so it doesn't have that brackets. So now what you do is you open a new Excel, you can close that manual journal because we're done with the template. You copy it, paste it here, paste values. I'm gonna click file, save as. I just created file here that says import, and I'm going to save it there as a CSV, delimited, and you click save. Now you go back to Xero, you say browse, click on it, and just for everyone to know, maybe your Xero has a slash here, depending on which country you're using it on. This is the demo, so it's Canada format. So then your date here must be exactly the same as this date. And also, you can't import any zero value. So if you had a journal here that had a zero value, it's going to give you an error and say it didn't import it, or it's not even going to import at all, I think. Right, so let's say import. So there was 4 new draft journals, import, complete import. Now you can see here's my journal. So just another thing, because I have journals that has VAT on it and some that doesn't, you're just gonna quickly go into everyone and check if everything imported fine, and you must always say tax inclusive, so it balances. Tax inclusive, save. Also, I already posted that one. Tax inclusive, save. Save it. Already posted one now, but then you can just click on all and you can say post. Alright, so then it posted. So that's how you import manual journals into Xero. I hope that helps. Thank you. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.